Good morning, friends. Today's topic of corporate governance is philosophy related to business. The first philosophy is new management philosophy. The new management philosophy is a set of rational principles which forms the basis for guiding or controlling the operation or the performance of a business. Management philosophy is less concerned with the day-to-day mechanics of a running business. Instead, a quality management philosophy helps develop a relationship based on ideal interpersonal practices. The new philosophy of management is not a company oriented, it is a customer oriented. Okay. The next point of new management of philosophy is moral philosophy. Moral philosophy can be used to create a culture of honesty and ethical business practices by creating a code of ethics that the company uses to shape its workers and leaders. The moral philosophy helps to determine the ongoing relationship between managers and employees within the organizations. It helps to define how the organization is viewed by the rest of business community and the community in which the business is located. This is moral philosophy. It is a good relationship between managers and employees in the organization. Next point is organizational philosophy. It is mainly focused on join everyone in an organization together and focus on the attainment of excellence. The organization philosophy clearly specifies the chain of responsibilities. The example for the organization philosophy is bureaucratic management. Bureaucratic management is the organization set a responsibility for everyone and divide responsibility between managers and each with their own division of employees who work as subordinates under their manager. This is organizational philosophy example. Next point is motivational philosophy. Motivational philosophy mainly focused on inspire the employees to improve their performance and accept the personal responsibility for their work and work towards the overall success of the company. Motivation philosophy seeks to develop a work environment that promotes strong employee-driven ideals. This motivation philosophy helps to promote and inspire the employees and managers in the organization. Next point is managing a crisis. It is also a technique when something goes wrong in the business. It is also a philosophy to crisis management. This philosophy focuses on identifying the potential dangers and planning for those dangers and responding to them with a clear goal once the problem occurs. The crisis reaction strategies that respond to immediate dangers once they have occurred. Okay. Next point is consumer philosophy. Consumer philosophy is the last point of philosophies related to business. The consumer philosophy mainly focuses on customers related to our company. It includes transactional marketing, relationship marketing, mixed marketing philosophies. The customers are three types. That means transactional marketing customers, relationship marketing customers, and mixed marketing customers. That means the customers which purchases expensive for our customers are make infrequently, and that is transactional marketing. Relationship marketing means the customers purchase goods at less expensive but regularly purchased items. Another is mixed marketing philosophies that include transactional marketing and relationship marketing. This is the last point of philosophies related to business management. Next one is difference between old and new management philosophy. The old management philosophy is a company oriented, new management is customer oriented. And the old management philosophy make decisions for short term. That means the business used to run on short term decision due to lack of advanced scientific systems. But in the new management philosophies make long-term decisions. Nowadays, the technology can be used to predict the long-term changes in business, so they can be easy to make long-term decisions also. Next point is focus on implement drastic changes at a time. In old management, they mainly focus on drastic changes, but today, new management principles, they implement small changes at a time. Small and continuous changes. That is the main focus on new management philosophy. Next point is used to tolerate the wastes. The old management principles tolerate the waste, but in new management principle they eliminate waste. They work to eliminate the waste. Next point is old management philosophy. There's a relation between employees and employers are not good, but in new management philosophies they improve the relationship between employees and employers in the organization. Next point of old management philosophy, the managers base decisions based on options. In new management philosophies, managers base decisions on scientific researches. The last point is managers used to impose decisions. In old management philosophy, used to impose decisions, but in new management, managers lead employees in achieving the goals set by the organization. They are not impose their decisions on the employees. This is the difference between new management and old management philosophies. Thank you, friends.